Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Devil Piggy from Roblox. So again, here is my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this is a very cool looking piggy character. So we're going to start out with his head. We're going to draw in the overall head shape, so it's just going to be one big circle. So this is pretty much like the piggy, but just a little bit more detail to make it look like the devil. Okay, so that's the shape of the head, and then to draw in the snout area, just come about right on the center of this circle and then go up. You can make a little point. So that's going to be the top of the snout, and then from here, this is going to be the top of the circle for his snout. So we just draw another circle coming down, almost all the way to the bottom. And that's gonna give us the snout. And then for the nostrils, just come out to the side. Just draw 2 little egg shapes. And let me shade it in real quick. Alright, from there we're gonna draw in the eye. So just come out from this angle. Let's draw another circle right here. Come over to this side. And then for this one, I'll add in a little highlight here because I'm going to shade this one black. And then for this one, I'll leave it alone because that one's supposed to be glowing. So I'll do that when I color later. Okay, and then for the cheeks, on the side right here, just 2 big egg shapes. Okay, and then now for the horns, just come out right above the eye right here. You can make 1 little point. And then on the bottom, I'm going to make another point here. So that's going to be the base of the horn right here. So I'm going to come out to this side, same thing, just 1 little point. And draw another one here. Okay, so from here, we're going to draw in a little bracket going up. And we'll draw both sides kind of at the same time to try to make it a little bit more symmetrical. So we just go up first. And then from this point, we're going to curve to the other direction here. Just curve out. Okay, so once we have this curve, now we're going to come back down. So this is going to be a tip. So we'll curve out this side. So it's going to be wider on the bottom. And then now we're going to connect to this. So just kind of follow the same curve as the one on the inside. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. So we're going to draw in the arm first, and then we'll draw in all the other stuff like the trident and the wings. Okay, so we're going to start here. Make 2 little points. This is going to be the shoulder. Then we're going to draw in this arm first. For this side, we'll just come straight down here. This is going to be all the way down to his hand. Start back on the shoulder. So we're coming down a little bit wider. And then now for the hand. For the thumb right here, just 1 little bump. And then here's the back of the hand. And then the bottom here, we just round it out. Just close it off. So it's kind of like a giant mitten. Okay, and then for the other side, we'll come down. We're gonna draw in the whole gown right around the arm area. And then from here, we'll continue down. All the way down to the very end of the gown. And then on this side, right around here, same thing, just come down. And then on the bottom here, we'll just kind of connect it with a wavy line. And we can add in a few lines like this to make it look like cloth. Okay, so that's one side, and now we're gonna draw in the other hand. And for this hand, we're gonna start here on the shoulder. So this is gonna be behind the dress right here. So we're gonna curve down right around here. Finger, just 1 little bump. And then for this one here, just curve, just kind of round it out right into the dress here, the gown. So we're gonna leave it like this, and let's draw in the wings first, and then we'll draw in the trident last. Okay, so for the wing, we're gonna come all the way back up here. Okay, right next to the cheek. Just kind of curve out. And then we're gonna draw 1 big curve coming down, all the way down here, almost to the bottom of the gown here. So it's gonna be really wide. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw the inside here. We're gonna come out to the shoulder. Just gonna draw 1 curve going up. And then now from this corner here, let's go all the way down and connect to this. Just kind of round out the tip right there. Okay, and then 1 more section for the wing. So we're gonna come right around here. We're gonna connect this with 1 curve. Just go all the way out to the tip. So we'll just keep this simple. Okay, and then one line in between here. I'm gonna start right around here. Just draw one curve going out. Okay, and then for the feathers, we're just gonna add in some lines. We won't draw too many because I know there's supposed to be a lot of them. So on the bottom, just kind of curve up. So same thing here, just kind of aim it toward the head. Alright, so now lastly for the trident, we're going to draw it right over the hand right here. So we're going to start on this side. I'm just going to draw one line all the way to this hand. And I'll make it a little bit thicker here, especially on this side here. And then I'm going to continue this. I'm going to make this sharp. This is going to be the tip. And right on the tip here, I'm going to add a little triangle. It's gonna be all dark here, so we're just gonna go right over the wings. Okay, so now let's continue and join the back side of this. So I'm gonna continue this line right behind the hand. And then on the tip here, let's just give a little round shape. Okay, so now for the other prongs right here, just kind of draw one line across. And again, I'm making it a little bit thicker. And then now for the other tip, we'll just angle it this way. So a little bit shorter than this one. And then right on the tip, just another triangle. Okay, and then lastly, it's got some detail right around here. So I'm gonna add in just two curves, somewhat like an egg shape on its side. And I think there's some details on the line here, so I'm just gonna add another line inside. And that is it for this Piggy Devil. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.